Today I am going to change part of this chain link fence into a gate. You can see my gate over there. It's a little bit longer than one of the 8-foot panels there. It's 10 feet. So I'm going to have to modify that to accept it, but I want to be able to go in and out over here. And yeah, let's get to work. The first thing I need to do is cut off this here because I'm going to put a cap and then one of the end rail things for the post. So I'm going to get after that here in a second and get my hacksaw out and cut it. I need to do the same thing on the other end too. Actually, I'm going to end up moving that post too. Okay, I got the post cut, and so what I'm going to do now is snip the chain link on the edges there so that I can put in one of the tensioning rods. I attached the cap and the tensioning rod, and then I put the gate onto that post. And you can see here I needed to dig out the other post so I can move it. I've got it moved here. Then you can see that I have the other side of the gate attached to it. Now I just needed to stretch out the chain link and put the tensioning rod and attach it to the other post. Here's the finished product. Well, besides one of the side rails. It wasn't a really hard project. It only took me about an hour or so. It's a functioning gate now. So hopefully if you're looking to do something like this, it'll help you out. Have a good one.